Hola again. So now I have your directions. This is what I try to do every day that we have class. Record a video with the instructions of what you have to do. So let's check out the plan for today. This would be how your plans look every day. So you have to report. You have your attendance. You're familiar with this. Just click here and fill in the form for attendance. However, I'm going to be checking attendance every day when you connect. So that will be my way to keep attendance. The welcome video, meet your teacher. You probably already watched it. It's right here, the link. You just click the link and then you will see about your teacher. And then I am going to put the video I'm recording right now. It's going to be here on the link. So you click on the link and you will find the directions of what to do. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You are going to create a presentation about yourself. Your presentation must have 7 slides and it's going to be for 140 points. Now, every time you have an assignment, I recommend you to look right here, how many points, and when it is due, and since when it's available until when. It is going to be available until the end of the week, but if you don't turn in when it's due, it's going to be late. So I recommend that you check what the due date is so you don't turn in the stuff late. Today, because it's the first day, we don't have a warm-up. By starting next class, you will have a warm-up, and then you have to complete the warm-up. That warm-up is going to give you some points. Every day that we have class, you need to complete that warm-up so you can get the points. The points can be 5 points or 10 points or even 15 points. And then by the first 3 weeks, I'm going to add all those points and I'm going to give you a grade for the warm-up. So it's very important you complete your warm-up every day. Here is the guides that you need to follow so you can do your work for today. So here's number 1, title, presentation, name. I broke down the points right here, what you're gonna get, so how you're gonna get your 140 points. So you have the title of the presentation and name, and then what makes me tick is 5 sentences. So you need to click right here and it opens this document that is going to show you what you have to do. So you see what goes here, and I'm going to show you an example on how to do it. That's just the questions that you need to complete for that part. Then you're going to do for each one of these is 1 slide. So you have when I grow up, and then you have my job, my house, my car. So this is not what you are right now, because all of you, I assume, are students. It's what you dream about, what you're going to be when you grow up. It says when I grow up. So you're going to get 10 points for each one of those. And I also put here an example about me. So here's my example. I made a Google presentation. In the first slide, I put the what makes me tick. And remember that there were 5 things that I wanted there. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What inspires me, what I dream about, my cause, my favorite thing to do, what I like the most. If you don't know how to do it, we're going to be together in class so I can help you answer your questions. But I put the example here. And then I have 1 slide for when I grow up. Of course, I'm grown up already. But I put something, just something as an example. And I put here in the future. That means in the future, not right now, what you want, what you are. And the house that you want to live in, what vehicle you want to drive, what kind of pet do you want to have, and last but not least, what you would do if you could change the world. So that's what your presentation have. I put the link to this presentation right here so you can see it. And today I also want you to do one more thing. That is important. I want you in the home page. That's where you're going to find all your assignments. In the home page, you're going to find the syllabus. So I want you to go to the syllabus and read it. There are important things that you need there. So I need you to read. You have my information and you have the course description. So I want you to check what you have read and complete the form. Please check this form, this syllabus with your parents so we are all on the same page and we know what we're doing, what we're going to learn this time. In this homepage, I also put frequent asked questions. And these are questions that my students have been asking me, and I think that they are very important. So I made a frequent asked questions. And then you can find different things here that can help you through the class so you can complete your work and you can submit your work. But once again, if you have questions, the teacher is the best source. So I'll be waiting if you have any questions and we'll stay connected. I'll see you during class. You have a good time. Adios.